Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Tiffany or Texture Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how I install my flat twists. I use my high maintenance hair tea, my Paidana collection leave-in conditioner, my Paidana collection twisting buttercream, and my Paidana collection detangling brush. Check the description box for information on everything I use in this video and discount codes. So I take my high maintenance hair tea and my leave-in conditioner and apply that to each section. I want to make sure that my hair is completely moisturized before I start to flat twist. Then I'm going to use my detangling brush and just smooth that through each section, making sure I have no knots and no tangles. You definitely want to flat twist on completely detangled hair. Check the description box and the cards. I will have videos posted as to why I use tea in my hair regimen. Then I take my twisting buttercream and I apply it to the section using my hands. When I install my flat twist, I take 2 pieces of hair and I two-strand twist first. That's what I'm doing right here. I do a regular 2-strand twist about 3 or 4 times, and then I take my thumb and index finger and begin to pull hair from the bottom section that I'm doing right now. I'm pulling hair from the bottom section and adding it to the top. Pull hair from the bottom section and add it to the top. You can use your thumb and your index finger to anchor when you pull the hair from the bottom section to add to the top, and you can use your dominant hand to hold the top part of your twist so that you can add the hair. So if you look at what I'm doing right here, just using my hand, my dominant hand, to hold the top, and then I'm using my thumb and index finger to pull the hair right here, pull it from the bottom and add it to that top piece as I twist. So use a regular 2-strand twist motion, and you only need 2 sections of hair at all times. I don't have a very good grip yet, so I do have to use my whole dominant hand to add the hair and to anchor my twist. About halfway down, I'm going to use my detangling brush one more time to just smooth through my hair and make sure all the knots and tangles are gone. When you flat twist, you have got to make sure your hair is completely detangled. All right, now I'm going to work on the top section. I'm going to take a section of hair, split it into 2 pieces, do a regular 2-strand twist about 3 or 4 times. Regular 2-strand twisting. This will help to anchor my flat twist. It also helps me because I'm a beginner at flat twisting, so it's a lot easier to do my 2-strand twist first before I start the flat twist motion. And right here, I'm going to use my thumb and index finger on my other hand to pull hair from the bottom and add it to my top twist. Pull hair from the bottom, add it to my top twist, and as you can see, the twist is anchoring itself to my scalp. Take your time when you do this. If you're a beginner, this video is more for you. If you're a beginner like me, take your time, go slowly. Here are my results. I left my flat twists in for a week before taking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.